Hi, today I'm going to teach you how you can configure your projects for the Microsoft Clarity. This is the same platform like Google Analytics. In the Google Analytics, you can analyze your traffic from the different source of channels and locations, geolocations, and you can also uh, track the from where you user are and how many totals users and all those. In the Clarity, you can perform the same actions like Google Analytics. Apart from that, you can also track the session heat maps, session recordings and analytics inside that. So, what is the difference between Google Analytics and the Clarity? So, Google Analytics provide the complete overview from where user are, from which locations user are, and all those details. And in the Clarity, you can also get the same details like Google Analytics. Apart from that, you can also get the session recording and heat map. Before this Clarity, I use some different tools like inspectlets and other tools to track the session recordings and heat map for that. So after Clarity, I move from that tools to Clarities, and now I can easily record my sessions and heat map from the Clarity itself. So when how you can get started with the Clarity and how you can configure your website from the Clarity. So this is the dashboard from the Clarity website, and you can check in the URL. You can type clarity.microsoft.com. So if you are not already logged with the Microsoft account, you need one Microsoft account to log in with the Clarity. So I just log in with the my current credential, and you can explore over here. Inside the my project, I have one project already created for my website, that is jigneshdarji.com. So let's go for that for particular project, or let's try to create one new project along with that. So this is my the dashboard, and inside that my Clarity dashboard, I have projects. So currently I have only one project, that is jigneshdarji.com, and by clicking on the add new project, you can create the new project. So I click on that. You just need to specify the name over here, websites, and for example, specify the demo, and let's say demo.jigneshdarji.com, and category is my website is belong to blog category, so I select blog over here and click on the create. So when you click on the create, you can check your project is ready over here, and let's click on that particular project. So we to set up our Clarity for our website, we need to authorize that this particular website is belong to our account only, and if you can for that we need to paste some tracking code over the websites itself. So this is my tracking code. I just need to copy this particular two keyboards and paste it over in the head element. So when I paste this particular JavaScript code in my head element, after approx 2 hours, Microsoft Clarity start recording my sessions and users. So I just copy this particular things, and I paste this code to the my head section in my demo.jigneshdarji.com website. Apart from that, you can also add your Google Analytics integration over here using the get started. So when you click on this particular get started button, you can connect your Google Analytics with the Clarity. So I am not creating this particular things over here because I already create one project for my particular website. So let's go over there. So I click on the jigneshdarji.com. You can in the dashboard you can see there is a session. I just configure this particular session before 1 hour, sorry, 2 hours, so there is no much details over here, but you can easily check the sessions over here, separate sessions, scroll depth. You can also check the clicks, popular pages over here. You can check the most preference over here. You can also check the windows, operating systems, which operating system your website opening from the most of time. So in my particular case, Windows or my Mac OS, Androids, and all those. You can also check the browsers over here and all device also here. Apart from that, you can in the recording tag you can check the session recording over here. So with the different sessions, you can click on this particular things and you can check the total recorded sessions. In the heat map you can check the heat maps over here, and in the setting you can update the settings over here. In my particular this account I don't have much details as of now, so because I only configured this particular account before the 2 hours. So let's go with the some demo account. So Microsoft already provided one demo over here, so let's click on that particular try demo. So inside that you can check the sessions pages per sessions, and all this details like reference over there. You can check the popular pages over here, and so on. And in the recording section you can also check the some recordings over here, like in my jigneshdarji.com project. And inside the heat map you can also check the heat maps over here. So means which area user click the most from the PC, tablet or mobile. So you can easily analyze the where you can put your CTA call to actions buttons and all those. So you can check heat map over here, and in the setting you can simply track the settings. So there is so many other details that is not as of now, but maybe in the clarity Microsoft add some more cool features over there, and you can easily use the clarity along with the Google Analytics tools. So hope you are watching, hope this video help you a lot to configure the clarity and implement the clarity for your website. Thank you for watching.